In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a user in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're dealing with disruptive behavior, spam messages, or just want to tidy up your contact list, this guide will help you keep your Teams environment productive, professional, and distraction-free. First, let's log into Microsoft Teams. Open your web browser or desktop application and navigate to the Microsoft Teams homepage. Click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password for your work or school account. Once logged in, you'll see the Teams dashboard, which is your central hub for chats, files, meetings, and all your collaborative activities. Now that we're in Teams, let's move on to managing your contacts. If there's a user you want to block, start by locating their profile. This can usually be done within an ongoing chat or in your contacts list. Hover your cursor over their name, and you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appear next to their profile. This is the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots opens a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. Today, our focus is on blocking the user. Selecting this option will prevent them from sending you messages or calling you on Microsoft Teams. It's a really helpful feature if someone is being disruptive or if you just need to maintain focus during your workday. After selecting block, you may be asked to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, the user is blocked. They will no longer be able to contact you, which helps keep your workspace clear and free of distractions. It's worth noting that blocking someone doesn't delete any past messages or remove them from shared channels. You'll still see historical conversations, but it does stop future interactions. Plus, if situations change, you always have the option to unblock them later, giving you flexibility to manage your Teams contacts over time. And that's it. Blocking a user in Microsoft Teams is simple, effective, and an essential tool for keeping your professional space organized and harassment-free. Remember, your productivity and peace of mind come first, and Microsoft Teams gives you the tools to control your digital workspace. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Microsoft Teams. Stay focused, stay productive, and we'll see you in the next video.